Okay, here. So I'm gonna introduce you right now to the new. I just cut apart some information that we're showing there. Anyway, so showing you the new features right now that I'm very very excited. I'm sorry for talking so much without stopping and talking about these features, but I'm gonna show you right now. But if you are new to if you never search road helps before, just type road helps right there. See, it's showing up right here. We actually been features on some. We just did a press release. We were features on some huge uh, uh, news lit outlets. But anyway, but here's you just type these, tell here, and the top thing you see right here is us. So what helps? You click in, you know, right there. So if you are new, you can click sign up or log in. I mean, it's gonna take you the same page. Any button you click on this landing page, it will take you there. Get started right now. It will take you here. Start right now. It will take you here. The same login page. You know. And if you want to download, you can click download the app. We'll take you to the downloading app. Here's our app right there. You can download. But if you are on a mobile application, you should open up your Google or no App Store app or Google Play app. So yeah, you can start right here, download the app. If you click here, we'll take you up here. Yeah, log in. Me personally, I just click here, log in. Takes you here. You can log in as a drivers if you are a driver, and it doesn't matter if you are a truck driver or a car drivers. You click here. If you are a driver, any driver, it says drivers. You just click here. When you log in, it will tell you. You can switch then when you log in inside. I'm gonna show you later how it look like on the dashboard when you log in. But if you are a driver, truck driver or car driver, you sign up by click here. If you are new here, it says login. Of course, if you are new, click here. There's a button right here. Sometimes it's not really visible, but right here say create a driver account. You click here, you enter your information. If this is your first time coming here, you enter your information. After you enter, click create it, and it's gonna create your account. Back to login. Most time when you create, it's gonna redirect you to your dashboard already. But if you have your account already, log in here, then you know already. For the truck, so right here, let's get a little bit it's specific. For the driver, you can log in as a driver. It's the same account. You can create the same account. You inside the dashboard, that's where you switch. Request truck service or request car service inside when after you log in. Okay. But for the truck drivers, truck service provider or truck roadside assistance service, you're gonna hear me say a lot. Truck service provider. That means truck roadside service or tow truck or shopping truck, whatever who you are, whatever. You towing a truck, you fix a truck, you fix a trailer, you fix a tire, whatever. You are mechanic, you log in here. If you are truck service provider, that's why it's truck service provider. There's no define of what type of profession you do. And a truck, if you are a truck, you do end service in the truck, you sign up here. If you do end service in a car, auto cars, you sign up, you click here, and that's where you sign up as a car service provider. If you're a truck, you do towing, whatever you do, keys, delivering gas because people wanna you sign up here. Anything that's related to the car service, whatever type of service you do, you sign up here. Because if you sign up as a truck service provider, but you provide car service provider, or you provide service for the cars, the driver, they're not gonna, when the driver requests, they're not gonna see you. Because so the driver, when they request inside the truck, the driver dashboard, send is specific. They can switch. If they switch, sending us request for the truck service provider, it will only send those requests to the truck service provider. If they switch to the car service provider, and it will only send to the car service provider. So be careful right here. This is very important information for mechanic towing. Choose right here. Choose which one who you are. If you are truck, you provide service for the trucks. Sign up here. Click here if you have your own account already. Log in. But if you don't, create your own account here. Okay. If you are a car service provider, log in here. Click just on that. You can log in or you can create your account if you don't have an account yet. Okay. And as I said, it's really, really important. If you provide service for the truck, do not sign up as a car service provider because you're not gonna get the services. Okay. If you are provide car service, doesn't matter what type of the service, you just sign up as a car service, it will show you. Sign up as a car service provider. Do not sign up as a truck service provider because you're not gonna receive the request that you need.